Deep inside you, a fire burns. It's a fire that has always been there, waiting for the right moment to blaze into life. It's a flicker at first, a whisper of possibility, a gentle nudge that tells you there's more to life than what you see. This, my friend, is your dream. It's the vision that keeps you awake at night, the idea that excites your soul. It's a unique and powerful force, pulling you towards a future filled with purpose and joy. Don't ignore this spark. It's the essence of who you are. Nurture it, feed it, give it the attention it deserves, and watch it grow. Your dream is your birthright, a chance to live a life that truly matters. We all have dreams, and they are the seeds of our future. They ignite our passions and give us a reason to get out of bed every morning. They are the fuel that drives us forward. Maybe it's starting a business, writing a book, or traveling the world. Each dream is a journey waiting to be taken. Whatever your dream, know this: it's achievable. With determination and effort, you can make it a reality. You have within you the power to turn your aspirations into reality. It won't be easy. There will be obstacles and challenges. It will take work, dedication, and unwavering belief. But every step you take brings you closer to your goal. But I'm here to tell you, it's worth it. The satisfaction of achieving your dream is unparalleled. The journey itself will transform you, pushing you beyond your perceived limitations and revealing the incredible strength you possess. You'll discover new facets of yourself. So, embrace the challenge, step into the arena, and let's begin this journey together. The path may be tough, but the rewards are immense. Get ready to unleash the extraordinary potential within you. The world is waiting for your light to shine. The first step on this incredible journey is to define your dream. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire. What is it that truly sets your soul on fire? What passion or goal makes you feel alive and excited? What makes your heart race with excitement? Think about those moments when you felt most inspired and motivated. Close your eyes, clear your mind, and allow yourself to dream big. Imagine a future where anything is possible. Don't censor yourself or let fear hold you back. Embrace the freedom to dream without limitations. Write down everything that comes to mind, no matter how grand or seemingly impossible. Let your imagination run wild. Be specific. Instead of just saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like to you. Is it financial freedom, creative fulfillment, or personal growth, or making a difference in the world? Think about the impact you want to have on others and your community. Once you have a clear picture of your dream, write it down. Make it tangible. This is the foundation of your journey. Post it somewhere you'll see it every day. Let it serve as a constant reminder of your aspirations. This is your North Star, guiding you on your path to greatness. Keep your dream in sight and let it inspire you daily. Remember, a dream without action is just a wish. Take steps every day to move closer to your goal. By defining your dream, you've taken the first crucial step towards making it a reality. Celebrate this milestone. Now let's transform that dream into a tangible plan. Break it down into actionable steps and start your journey today. Now that you have a clear vision of your dream, it's time to break it down into manageable steps. This process might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it becomes much more achievable. This is where SMART goals come in. They provide a structured framework that helps you stay focused and organized. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down further to understand how each component contributes to your success. Specific. Your goals should be crystal clear and well-defined. Instead of saying "I want to lose weight," say "I want to lose 20 pounds. This specificity gives you a clear target to aim for. Measurable. You need a way to track your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. Use numbers, dates, or specific milestones. This helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Achievable. Your goals should be challenging, yet attainable. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic expectations. Make sure your goals are within your reach but still push you to grow. Relevant. Your goals should align with your overall dream and values. If your dream is to be a musician, your goals should focus on developing your musical skills and building a following. This ensures that your efforts are directed towards what truly matters to you. Time-bound. Set a deadline for each goal to create urgency and accountability. Deadlines help you stay on track and prevent procrastination. By setting SMART goals, you create a roadmap for success. This roadmap guides you through each step, making the journey to your dream more manageable. You know exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it. This clarity eliminates confusion and helps you prioritize your tasks effectively. This clarity empowers you to take action and move closer to your dream each day. With each step you take, you build momentum and confidence, bringing your vision to life. A dream without action is just a wish. It's time to turn your SMART goals into an actionable plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Break down each goal into smaller, more manageable tasks. Create a schedule for yourself, outlining what you need to do each day, week, and month to stay on track. Treat your dream like a project, and you are the CEO. Be organized, be disciplined, and be relentless in your pursuit. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent actions taken over time yield extraordinary results. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on the task at hand, and trust that each step you take is moving you closer to your ultimate destination. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and into your power. Action breeds confidence, momentum, and results. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking action today. Section 5. Fueling the fire. Staying motivated. Staying motivated is crucial on your journey to achieving your dreams. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. That's okay. It's part of the process. The key is to have strategies in place to keep your fire burning bright. One powerful way to stay motivated is to surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who inspire you, support your dreams, and uplift your spirit. Their energy will be contagious and will help you stay focused on your goals. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars that fuel your passion and provide valuable insights. The more you immerse yourself in a world that aligns with your dreams, the more motivated you'll be to make them a reality. Section 6. The power of small wins. Don't underestimate the power of celebrating small victories along the way. Every step you take towards your dream, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. Acknowledge your progress, give yourself credit, and allow yourself to feel proud of how far you've come. Celebrating small wins helps you stay motivated, builds momentum, and reinforces positive habits. It also helps you stay focused on the journey, rather than just the destination. Remember, life is about enjoying the ride, so reward yourself for your hard work. Take a break, treat yourself to something special, or simply take a moment to appreciate your own strength and resilience. These small celebrations will fuel your spirit and keep you going strong. Section 7. Obstacles. Stepping stones to greatness. Obstacles are not roadblocks, they are stepping stones to greatness. Every challenge you overcome, every setback you navigate makes you stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Embrace the obstacles, for they are opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with an obstacle, don't get discouraged. Instead, get curious. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to grow? Often, the biggest breakthroughs come from our greatest challenges. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Reach out to your support system, seek guidance from mentors, and learn from the experiences of others who have overcome adversity. Section 8. The triumph of persistence. Persistence is the unwavering belief in your ability to succeed, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. It's the refusal to give up on your dreams, no matter what life throws your way. Think of J.K. Rowling, who received countless rejections from publishers before finding success with Harry Potter, or Colonel Sanders, who was rejected over 1,000 times before finding a restaurant willing to franchise his Kentucky Fried Chicken recipe. These individuals achieved their dreams because they refused to give up. They believed in themselves and their vision, and they were willing to put in the hard work, even when it was difficult. Their stories are a testament to the power of persistence. Section 9. Visualize your victory. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams. It involves creating a clear mental picture of yourself already having achieved your goal. Imagine yourself living your dream life in vivid detail. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more real you make it in your mind, the more likely you are to manifest it in your reality. Make visualization a daily practice. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and immerse yourself in the feeling of success. This will help you stay motivated, focused, and aligned with your goals. Section 10. Embrace the journey. The journey of achieving your dreams is just as important as the destination. It's a process of growth, self-discovery, and transformation. Embrace the ups and downs, the challenges and triumphs. Don't get so caught up in reaching the finish line that you forget to enjoy the ride. Celebrate your progress, learn from your mistakes, and never stop growing. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination. So, as you embark on this incredible adventure, remember to have fun, be kind to yourself, and never give up on your dreams. Section 11. Now, go make it happen. You have within you everything you need to achieve your dreams. You have the passion, the drive, and the resilience to overcome any obstacle. The only thing standing between you and your dream life is you. So go out there and make it happen. Take action, stay committed, and never give up. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Now go out there and create a life that is truly extraordinary.